Are 10mm spacers safe?
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chest.
BONOSS has more than 66 SGS and TUV test reports and achieved excellent results. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. You don't have to worry about buying non-genuine BONOSS products because each box will have an anti-counterfeiting code. You can quickly check the authenticity through our official website.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Chains, you can say no, free me.